There are at least 17 ways you can make money starting this week, but then many people are not even thinking about them. Let's be clear, this video is not for everyone, but if you earn less than 200k monthly, come closer. The truth is, these businesses may not make you millions, but you can never be broke. And for those looking for millions, check my other videos. Let's dive in. But if you're meeting for the first time, I'm Financial Jennifer, an investment banker, a chartered accountant, a chartered stockbroker, a licensed dealer in the Nigerian market, but most importantly, your money cheerleader. In this our community, we are all about the money, passive income, side hustle, investment. We have agreed that this is the year of leveling up for us, and that's why I'm always researching to bring these ideas so that we say, I don't have money because I'm jobless, or I don't have money because I don't know what to do. From these 17 business ideas, I believe and hope that you would find one. So if that's the kind of things you love to hear, making money, saving money, investing money, welcome, you are the right place. Please hit that subscription button right away. Number one business idea is very simple: running errand, picking up parcels, delivering them for people. I earlier shared something like this on IG. You need to see amazing comments people left. In fact, that post went viral. Let me even show you something. On that post, somebody said this. So Sarah said something: thank you, ma, for this. People look down on people that run errands, but ever since I started running errands, it has been a game changer for me, from just running errands for people. She even went ahead to tell for those interested in starting that line of business. She went ahead to instruct them. Let me keep reading. She was replying somebody. She said, hi sis, good afternoon. Nothing hard. This person was asking how she can start that kind of business. She said, start with your own market runs, errand. Anytime you go to the market, do videos, then post on all your socials. Tell people what you do. From there, people have started to see and notice, right? Funniest thing is that you need zero capital, just your phone and data. And one thing about the business is that it opens your eyes to other businesses. Exactly, nothing to add here, because once you start doing things for people, you now see other ways you can even monetize. That's business number one. And thank you so much, Sarah, for sharing this. If you are watching this, we appreciate you. Business number two: show people how to use AI tools. We are in that era. Everybody is talking about AI. And when I say AI, it's not as if there is one big thing. As simple as ChatGPT is, some people still don't understand how to use it. Recently, I did a prompt, a ChatGPT prompt that can help you generate passive income. And I'm like, I want to give it out because, like I said, anything that will make us money this year, we are doing it in this community. And I said, people that are interested, that want the prompt, because I did it for someone, it looked so good, and I wanted to give it out. Just comment free of charge. If you see people commenting, thousands, and I know that people sell prompts, right? So something as basic as prompt, something as basic as social media, that because there are so many platforms, be it video editing, you can use and do flyers. People don't know these things, but that is the era right now where everybody is interested in these things. You can go and learn. You don't have to learn anything. You can just master only one and start teaching people. By the way, if you want to get the prompt, the AI prompt that I said I was giving out for people that want to generate passive income, just comment prompt. Yeah, comment prompt, and I'm going to share it with you. Business idea number three. This one, anybody can do it. Sell small chops. Puff, akara, whatever it is, around busy areas, bus stops, schools, offices. This one, you don't even have to be the one frying yourself. You could buy and resell, and this is something that will make you money every single day. Business idea number four: mobile car wash, where people are in their offices, they are in their shop, they went to market or something. You are there rendering this service for them. I think I've mentioned this in this community before. Mobile car wash is something I have not really seen a lot of people doing, but I know it's something that has a lot of demand. As you, someone that has time, or someone that think you can do this, all you need is the equipment, right? And then you can even go to a church if you need to talk to them. Every Sunday morning, people are driving in, you are asking them, do they want their cars to be washed? Trust me, churches have thousands of people every single day. There is no way you won't get a lot of people saying yes to you. Business idea number five: beauty services. You see lashes, you see eyebrow, you see nails. Oh, women don't play with their beauty service. We feel not chop, right? But you see beauty, we must invest in it. And these things that always high demand. Have you seen the kind of crowd or line up when you see somebody that knows how to do nails very well, or someone that knows how to do lashes, brows? See, you know how I do my lashes. I live I don't know how to put the distance, right? If I want to enter right, for me to enter right where I do my lashes, it costs me maybe 10 to 12,000. Just going and coming is like 20 something thousand. Why? Because this is the person that I have tried that gave me what I wanted. I have tried most of the people around me, I don't know, they keep doing nonsense for me. As you can see, I'm not even wearing lashes right now because I've not had time to go for my lashes. So that is just one of it. You can do nails, you can do beauty is just a booming industry. You can start alone. Over time, you train people, and you don't even necessarily need to have an office or to be in a salon. You can be doing home service. The lady that does my nails, she comes to my house, and it is not cheap, but it's convenient for me. People are willing and happy to pay for convenience, and there are so many salons out there looking for technicians even to come and stay in their space. Business idea number 6 is to tutor kids. Children go to school, but a lot of parents are looking for home services or tutoring services for their children. In fact, let me read out something somebody said about this on my comment section. So she says something: I offer video editing skills and also a language tutor, 4 hours a day, and that runs up to 300k monthly just as an online tutor. How many people who doing 9 to 5 earn up to 300k? Most Nigerians earn less than 100,000 naira. Research has that one. Many people don't earn up to 100,000. That's what somebody is saying. For 4 hours a week, she makes up to 300k from home tutoring. Sure, you heard it direct from the person doing it. Please, if you have not liked this video, I'm begging you, could you please hit that like button? It means so much to me. And if you feel like, oh, up to 6 ideas that nothing have hit for you, don't worry, watch to the end. I have like 11 more to go. Thank you for liking the video. It means so much. Thank you. Business number 7: iron clothes for people from your house. No, you don't need a shop. A lot of people, they don't mind washing their clothes. Some they can wash themselves, but you see ironing, and some can go to laundromat and wash, but ironing is the cocoa. No problem. If you want to add washing, fine, but you see ironing is a high demand service. Have you seen posts of where they say, what is the house chore you hate the most? A lot of people is ironing. Imagine you're not the one doing this for them, right? Business number 8: drive Uber or Go-Kart, delivery, whatever it is. I know there is a process for this. You might need to find someone that can fund it or give you their car or something. But what I'm trying to say is, if you are jobless or you don't have what you are doing currently, this can be an opportunity. Even delivery services, some businesses have their own bike. Maybe they are looking for someone that can now ride the bike for them. The same thing with vehicles as well, if you inquire. Small business idea number 9: resell vegetables and fruits near your area. It's not only a Aboki that is doing this kind of business. People don't play with this. We are in that era where everybody is doing fit farm. If it's from aside, people want to, most times fruit and vegetable is not what you really buy from the market because they easily spoil, right? People depend on the vendors close to them, and this is the one that if people know that you sell fresh things, they go to market, they go to offices, they come back, they are coming back direct to buy from you because they know you are there. And that's another thing. You have to be dependable, you have to be consistent. Not you'll be here today, tomorrow we will not see you. Everybody will look for plan B. In fact, you become the plan B. But if you are known to be consistently here, you are going to have a lot of customers. Fruit and fresh vegetables, buy from the market, resell in your area. Business idea number 10 is to edit videos for YouTubers and content creators. Every time I do video around business idea or whatnot, I always mention this because it is an untapped industry. I have said it, particularly long form content. You know, when it comes to reels, short, there can be so many people doing that. But you see long form content like YouTube, hey, the gap is so wide. So many people are looking for people in this industry that can render that service. And if it's something you can do, even if you cannot do it, go and learn. You can learn all of this thing free of charge on YouTube, right? And start offering these services. Inbox them, reach out to people, tell them what you do. You can even do a free job for them, let them see your hand. Trust me, you will get jobs. Number 11, small business either you can start right now and you will never go broke. Buy and resell thrift wares. I don't have to talk too much on this one. You see Okrika, hey, I have done that business and I know what is there, right? And I know that it is a business that will never go out of fashion. People will wear clothes, but you don't have plenty money to be buying designers, and we will still come back to thrift, we will still come back to Okrika. If you have the strength to enter where they sell these things, select very nice ones, come home, iron them, snap them, even on your WhatsApp status, you will sell out. Like, you don't even have to have a large following. The ones on your status, on the communities you belong to, and then if you now start posting on social media, there is money to be made in thrift. It might take some time because you see ironing, you see snapping, it's not small work, but it is definitely worth it. Start small, before you know it, will be doing in bales. Small business idea number 12: become a WhatsApp handler for business owners. I think I have shared this idea before, but till today, people are still in need of these services. A lot of business, they don't want to depend on open social media again. Instagram is showing them sugar, they're taking down their page and whatnot. Many people are now moving their customers to WhatsApp. You know, there they get a closer relationship with them, and once they buy from them once, there is this tendency that they will buy over and over, because now they're seeing their stories and all that. So many businesses are actively moving people there. You can reach out to business owners, small business owner, pitch yourself to them, tell them what you can, even the ones that are not looking for, pitch to them, tell them how you can help them make more money. And trust me, this is one business that will fly. Business idea number 13, you can write scripts, resume. Let's even talk about the scripts own. Yes, a lot of content creators, people write their scripts for them. They're not the one that write the scripts themselves. Yes, this is something you can do, because content creators are busy with a lot of things. In fact, big content creators have more than one person writing scripts for them, right? It can even be social media, other social media related things, if not only scripts, or resumes, reviewing things for people. That is if that's your expertise. But when it comes to writing, there is a lot you can do with writing. If you have strength in that, or if it's something you can learn, you can make money from it. Business idea number 14, this particular one, I didn't actually think is something that still applies until somebody mentioned it. Charging phones and electricals for people in area where there is no light. You know, you have light in your house, you tend to forget reality that a lot of places in Nigeria still struggle with like that, and some places that don't even have NEPA poles again. Like, even if they have, for years they've not seen NEPA lights. This kind of places, you can buy generator. You know, if you're not lucky, it's close to where you are. Do I say if you're lucky? Is it possible to be lucky? Okay, let me not say luck. If you have access to those kind of place, or it's something you can find that, it may not even be, it can even be inside the market, right? Because some people in the house, they don't have light. When they now come to the market, they charge. So find opportunities around you. Charging for people that don't have light is an opportunity. Small business idea number 15, you can offer hair braiding service or even barbing for people in their house. I know some of my friends, they don't go to barbing salons again. They come to their house, even braiding hair. And I mean, they even beg the woman that makes my hair to come to the house, because it's more convenient for me. But that woman is so busy, because she is good. If this is a skill, you know, we've said it before, women don't play with beauty. If you can braid hair, you don't need a salon. You can be going to their house, or they can even come to you depending on the arrangement you have. So if there's one talent you or something you are good at, consider monetizing it. Business idea number 16, this one is a general one. Buy things from the market at the cheaper price and then resale either online or even in your environment, right? If you can resale online, that is perfect. You are looking at things like that's how drop shipping, you can go through the drop shipping route where you don't even have to buy. Maybe you take pictures, or you go to the market and you snap, or you have some cash with you, you can actually buy and then come and resell, maybe online or around you. You know, the markup might not be much depending, but it's small, the money will be adding up, right? So find item you feel like people always have a high demand for, and see how you want to play there, online or offline. And then the last business for today, number 17, is selling ice block. I feel like this is something you've not thought of before. It's not very common, but it is a high demand business in some areas. Like we say, maybe either that don't have light or something like that. You will want to look into that. I remember somebody shared details about this on my story one of these days. I'm like, oh, this is quite interesting. So ice block inside the market as well, because even if they have light, either there are people selling water, people selling things, there is need for it. So you can consider that. Listen, one thing I want you to take away is that there is no small or dirty labor. There are just jobs that put food on your table. And like I said earlier, you might not make millions from these businesses, but they will feed you. You don't have to be stranded or disturbing people to send you urgent 2K. The respect will be there. So let's know in the comment section, which of these do you want to try out? Do you need more insight? Somebody can help. Or are there other ideas, other ways you've made money before? Please share with us. Remember, in this community, we share with one another. And if you have not joined our upcoming World Builders Academy, I don't know what you're waiting for. I'm going to leave in the link on the description. It's a 3-week online program where we come together, we teach you, guide you on how you can do different investments, step-by-step guide, or you can just comment link I will share with you. And the AI prompts I mentioned, comment prompts, and I'm going to share the AI prompts with you.